Jones, mae'r Gicri tuag at y postyn pella. A wedi cael ei ffynu ar draws o Bale yn Drenewydd. Na, dydy ddim oddi ar y llinell. Y ddoth i Ryan Sears gath y beniad i mewn. Neb ar ei gyfil. Iawn yma i'r Bala, ond yr ansawdd yn wych gan Jones. Ball, Newell. Sgwar i Kieran Smith sy'n brasgamu drwy ganol hanner y Drenewydd ar groesiad yn un ddim tuag at Wall cael ei ffynu allan. Ac yna wedyn oedd Mendes yn taro rwyd ochr. Symudiad da unwaith eto gan y Bala. Dyna methu ddarganfod i ffordd i Dave Jones hyd yma. Hyn yma. Yna'n taro rwyd ochr gan Mendes. Gwna symudiad yn y cwrt Cosby tuag at y postyn pella. Mae'n dod o'r beniad yno gan Antony Kay. Marcio llac gan y Drenewydd. A gyda 10 munud o'r hanner cyntaf yn weddill. Mae Antony Kay wedi rwyd o'i gol cyntaf o'r tymor. Mae'r groesiad mewn tuag at y postyn agosa. Chlirio, mae'n beth ag Antony Kay. Letos mae'n mynd tuag at Venables ar y postyn pella. Arbeniad gan Venables tuag at George Newell. Mae'r arbediad yn un wych gan Dave Jones. Wel llawer amdani, daflodd ei hun. Tuag at y postyn agosa yna. I nadu George Newell. Dyblu mantais y Bala. O Blair gan Dave Jones gyfle Venables, dyblu'r mantais. Cam gymeriad erchill. Gan golwr y Drenewydd. A dydy'r capten Chris Venables ddim yn methu cyfleuon clir fel yna. 6 munud o'r ail hanner wedi chwarae. Ail o'r tymor i Venables, ail o'r noson i'r Bala. Rhys Evans yn brasgamu ymlaen. Bas i Matty Jones. Dan bwysig am Mendes. Rwysiad oedd i mewn tuag at Williams ar y postyn pella arbeniad. O'n i'n Blair. Y gyfla yraidd i frif sgoriwr Uwch Ngwyr Cymru, JD tymor yma. Yn y Drenewydd yn ôl i mewn i'r gêm. Another great 3 points for you this evening.
Yeah, I think it was another really good performance. To be fair, we set our stall out early doors. The lads stuck to the game plan. It paid dividends in the end.
In terms of the passage of the game, I thought we had good possession. We kept the ball really well. We passed, we probed, but obviously the scoreline being 2-0 meant that they didn't really have to come out and try and get that next goal. So the onus was on us. Like I said, I thought we kept the ball really well without really troubling them in the last third. But then it was difficult because they were deep as well. So, but I think you point to key moments in the game and like the game up at their place at the start of the season, they did better in the key moments than what we did.
Anthony, 2 wins in the space of a few days. Good to get up that table.
Yeah, we didn't start the season as we wanted, and we're starting to get a bit of momentum now, which is good. And we always knew what we can do as a team, and we're starting to show it over the last few games.
And your first goal of the season, a well-worked set place.
Yeah, didn't come off the right part of my head as I wanted, but listen, any goal's a goal, and I'm just glad to get off the mark as well, but I'm just glad that the team won.